Alright everybody, today is November 6th, 2021, and as always, welcome back to Southeast South Dakota. So I took a week off last week. I didn't do a video, I actually went home, so that was my week off. I'm back here recording videos towards the end of the season here before we get rolling on tillage. So we got a little bit of gap here, so I'm back down further south from our place, and I'm with Kelly today. And if you guys remember, I did a video at Kelly's place during silage season. It was the second video I did, so we're here with Kelly today. If you want to just tell us a little bit about your operation and like what you guys grow and whatnot.
Yeah, we mainly corn, soybeans, raise a little bit of alfalfa, and we also run about 125 cow-calf operation. Calf half in the spring, half in the fall.
Okay.
And, been farming this piece of dirt since 1998 when I was a junior in high school. It's a good operation to be part of, and this field here in particular is corn on corn this year, and surprisingly yielding pretty decent for the extreme dry weather we've had.
If you guys remember from our harvest, our area of South Dakota didn't get a whole lot of rain this year. We kind of seemed to get missed by just about every storm until the end of the season when things were already, I don't know, filled out and just kind of dying down, getting ready for harvest. So kind of missed all the rain, but yeah, that's a good thing that yields are still looking decent for the amount of rain we got this year. It's a lot better than like, I think central Minnesota got hit really hard this year and whatnot. So I think we got a little lucky here, but Kelly, you've got a ag leader yield monitor in your combine?
Yeah, in command 1200.
In command 1200. So it kind of, well, you have your fields mapped out, and then what it does is, for people that don't know, it kind of shows you where your yield is doing good and bad, and it kind of fills it in as you harvest. What were you talking about? You were saying that you can view the grain cart on your monitor when you have it all hooked up. So
when I go to split screen, it'll show it on the other monitor, but we're having a little bit of internet trouble today.
Sure. Yeah, that's okay. But on a good day, Kelly can see where the grain cart is at in the field, so he knows where he's at and when he's coming, and they can kind of see each other because they're both running similar setups in the cart and the combine. So one of those cool things with technology that, yeah, great when it works, cool to see when it's in action. Well, there goes Kelly. He's taking off the ends on this side of the field along the fence line, so he doesn't have much left of this field, and then he's got a little bit more corn to do, and then they have some soybeans to finish up with. So that'll be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching Kelly and his family harvesting corn down here in southeast South Dakota, where it really starts to get hilly. Boy, I tell you, further south you go, the hills are just like this. It's crazy, but very beautiful scenery down here. I want to thank Kelly for letting me come out here and ride with him during their corn harvest, and thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.